April 24th at 9:30 in the morning, Able Auctions is hosting another live online auction of a cabinet and woodworking shop. So we got lots of good items coming up in this sale. This is building 2 of the Port Coquitlam location. We got this nice reception counter. We got all these nice kitchen cabinet displays, granite countertop. You just got to make sure you bring the right tools and proper people to dismantle it for you and get it all down. Then a set of French doors there, mirrors. What else do we got here? We got this granite top dual vanity with a couple of sinks. Mirrors are included. 2 mirrors. These brand new bathtubs, display tubs, oval tub, nice soaker tub. Got a floating bathroom vanity there. Nice kitchen cabinet. Back credenza type style with a island. Got a little bit of computer equipment. Let's go into the back room here. Nice fireplace with a stone surround. Some more bathtubs. Another soaker tub there. Nice big dual sink undermount vanity. Granite top. Some faucets. Let's go out into the warehouse and see what's out in here. Lots of sinks. You need a ceramic sink? This is the place to bid. Sinks, cabinet parts, inserts, stainless steel sinks. Lots of them. Look at them all. Some nice maple wood range hood covers, brand new. We got some table saws here. Nice belt sander, joiner. Lots of loose granite and countertops. Some drill presses, portable saws. This is a nice Rotork machine. Combi mat. Lots of work tables, plastic bander, transformers. Got a few of these Bosch portable table saws with the stands. An Artec edge bander. Lots of dust collection systems. A little bit of appliances, some Kruger appliances. Got an SCM. Sigma Impact. Some smaller portable dust collectors. A little bit of tile in case you're doing some renovation. This nice Morbidelli CNC machine. Woodworking CNC machine. We got racking. Lots of cabinet material. Full sheets. Got an SCMI Olympic edge bander. Got another SCM Olympic K1000. And this one actually has the full refeed system. It's on a couple of pallets that'll go with it. This Heister forklift, propane sit-down counterbalance, runs good. Over in the corner here, another SCM Sigma machine. So make sure to go to our website, ableauctions.ca, to register. The preview for this is April 23rd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then the sale is April 24th, starting at 9:30 online at ableauctions.ca. So make sure you register, get your bidder number, take a look at the items, come into preview, then you can go home, get yourself a great deal on some cabinet machines, woodworking machines, cabinet material, and display items. Hope to see you all there.